If you've ever wanted to download a voice note, audio clip, or even music from a Telegram channel but weren't quite sure how, this is the video for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find and save audio or music files from Telegram directly onto your device. So whether you need a handy way to save that catchy song or are archiving voice notes for later, let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open up your Telegram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. I know this step sounds basic, but sometimes apps update in the background or log you out, so it's always good to start with a fresh session. If you're using Telegram on your computer or mobile device, the interface looks a little different, but the steps are nearly identical. Once you have Telegram open, look towards the top of your screen for the search bar. It's usually right at the top on mobile, and if you're on desktop, you'll see a little magnifying glass icon. Tap or click into the search bar. This is where things get fun. Now you'll want to discover some channels that are dedicated to sharing music or audio files. Start by typing music audio into the search bar. Telegram channels are kind of like group chats, except they're mainly for sharing content to a large audience. They're one of the easiest places to find downloadable media. When you type music audio, you'll see a list of channels, some public, some private. Don't hesitate to scroll through and check out channels that have a lot of subscribers. More often than not, these will have a big selection of audio files. Click into a channel that looks promising. You might need to join or subscribe to the channel before you can see content, but that's just a tap away, no worries. Now browse through the channel's posts. Most music or audio channels will pin or regularly share their latest tracks right at the top. Take your time scrolling. Sometimes you'll find classics, new releases, or even rare tracks. If you're looking for something specific, there's often a search feature inside the channel as well. When you spot an audio or music file you'd like to download, tap to open it. Telegram organizes each file with a little play button and usually shows the file type, like MP3 or voice message. Give it a listen if you want, just to check it's the right track. If it is, look for the download arrow icon. On mobile, this is usually right next to the file name, and on desktop it may appear at the top of the audio player. Tap or click this arrow and your file will begin downloading to your device. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the file size, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly. And here's a helpful tip. You can repeat the same process using music video as your search term in the Telegram search bar. Many channels share both music videos and audio-only tracks, and sometimes the audio files are tucked away in video-oriented channels. Just follow the same steps, find a channel, scroll through, and when you locate an audio post, open and download it. Rinse and repeat until you have the tracks you want. It really is that straightforward. Find, open, download, and your audio is ready to play anytime, even offline. If you hit any troubleshooting bumps along the way, like if the download button doesn't appear or files refuse to play, double-check your device's storage permissions or reach out in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and share your questions down in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want to see more tips and tricks for mastering your favorite apps, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.